Hey guys, it's Explorer again, and what you see is an E5 Roomba. We need to check this thing out. It's one of those things they had at Target for a really great deal. Actually a savings of $149 to be exact. So let's check it out. And what you have here is an instruction manual, as you can see. And the first thing you need to do is take the product out and connect it to the wall charger, and always have this close to a Wi-Fi signal. Then you download an app. You download your iRobot app, and you can assign this thing your Wi-Fi information through the app, and you should be able to get started. So you have this startup information that came with it. You have the owner's manual, and last but not least you have the Roomba. Pretty sweet, isn't it? See, this particular model is good for like pet hair and stuff. You don't have the brushes on your beater bar. So here's your power cord, as you tell, standard. Here's your plug. And on the side of your charging port, you got this plug here, which is cord plugs into, like so. And you set this where your desirable place is, and you let the unit charge for a while before you actually start setting up your app so you can connect it to the Wi-Fi. So let's hook this baby up and let it charge a while, and we'll get to the next. Alright, on the back of your Roomba, you have these two contacts, and on your charger you have two contacts. You line them up like so. That wakes the Roomba up. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I hope you enjoy your Roomba as much as I do mine.